Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you turn on mobile data on your Android phone. You can follow these two easy way activate mobile data. Let's get started. First, open the settings. Once you are in the phone main settings page is open, simply go to connection. In the connection page, scroll down slowly, go to data usage section. Here you can find the mobile data option. Right now this option is turned off by default my phone. To turn them on, simply tap on the toggle switch and you have successfully turned on mobile data. However, if you quickly turn on mobile data your phone, don't use settings, don't worry, this is available. To do it, simply swipe the top of the screen to open the quick panel page. Here you can locate the mobile data icon. Once you found them, simply tap on it once and you have successfully turned on mobile data your phone. That's it, you are done. If you decide to turn off mobile data your phone, this is very easy to do that. Simply tap on the mobile data button again and you have successfully turned it off. Thanks for watching. Like this video. Also subscribing to my new channel guys.